next thing we're looking at here is this W-2, which shows you what you earned for the year, and it shows you what you paid in federal, state, local, Social Security, Medicare taxes. We're going to take a look and answer these questions. So first question says, if Joanne paid her federal tax at a rate of 9%, what amount belongs in box 2? So as you can see up here in box 2, there's no amount written. So we're going to find that missing amount because we know that she paid her federal tax at a rate of 9%. Now, I want you to look because box 1, 3, and 5 have different amounts in them. For the purposes of finding federal income tax, you are always going to use box 1's amount. So because Social Security and Medicare are a little bit higher, probably means that she had some other deductions where she's not having to, she didn't have to pay income tax on that. So that's why. You will see that sometimes, not all the time. So we're going to go with that amount in box 1, 73,488, 97, and we're going to multiply that by the 9% tax rate. And so we'll go ahead and go over to Desmos for that. And then you can do the 0.09 or 9 out of 100. I don't care which way you go. It doesn't want another 0 there. Hang on just a second. There we go. So it looks like she paid 6614.007. I'm going to round to 2 places. So it looks like she paid 0.01, so 1 penny on that. So 6614.01. Go ahead and round it to 2 places. How much did she pay in federal, state, and local? Well, this was the federal amount. We just found it. Okay, so that would be in box 2, 6614.01. And then we need to find state tax and local tax. So I'm going to come over here, and it tells me right here that state income tax was $1984.19. So we're going to add up box 2 and box 17, and if anything was in local income tax, it'd be here in box 19, but there's nothing, so we'll just assume that's 0. So we're going to go ahead and add the 1984.19 to what we already had. So we had 6614.01 plus 1984.19. So we can see that she actually gets $8,000, or actually paid $8,598.20. I don't care if you write it as 0.2 or if you're more correct and write 0.20. What percent of Joanne's income went to the federal, state, and local taxes? So we're going to take the amount we just found, and we're going to divide with, this is where it gets really tricky, the full amount she earned, you guys. The full amount she earned is the $83,000. So it's whatever the bigger value is. This happens to be our box 3 value there. $83,458.41. We got to go out of the total. So we're going to divide that out. You guys, we can do that on Desmos, or you can work that out on Desmos right now. So I've got 8598.20, and I'm going to divide that with my full salary, 83458.41. And I'm going to round this at 2 decimal places, so 0.103 is just going to round out at 0.10. So I'm going to go ahead and write that out. It's about 0.10 or 10% approximately. 10% of her income in total went to federal, state, and local taxes. And that's all we got to do for the W-2 questions.